What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar with C-Zar Gets Crypto, and we are talking about Aurora for Miss Emma Bate. Emma, we're doing this one for you. Looking at it here, the chart itself, if I'm just being blunt, does not look good. It doesn't really look good at all. The one good thing you have is that you're moving. It's not this. This was not your one good thing, by the way. The one good thing you have is this whole move has been at less of an incline than this whole move, but it's still pretty steep, so nothing really too exciting. Looking on the weekly RSI, you have been in the oversold zone your whole existence of this RSI. Volume is picking up, but to the downside, that's not really a good combination, honestly. That's kind of... what's the words I'm looking for? That would be an implication for further downside to continue. If you saw this kind of volume and you got a reaction like this, that'd be a different story, but we didn't get that, actually. Looking on the daily RSI, neutral with a very bearish look, in my opinion. Yeah, just you love being in this bearish area of control, and I think you're about to get down there, get into the oversold zone again, make another move down. But you might be coming close to the end of your move down. It's hard to say. I was looking at this thing on CoinGecko, and if we look at the max price chart, you look at it like this, I feel like this looks steeper than the market cap chart does. It's kind of got a nice rounding bottom here. Actually, you've been moving flat more or less, where here in price you've been moving down. And the reason for that, probably, actually, I would bet a lot of money, the only reason for that is that you're having more coins pumped into the supply. So the price can drop, but as more coins get added to the supply, that adds, to the overall multiplication factor of how many coins are being priced in the market cap. I don't know if I think I worded that properly, but basically, it can drop in price and maintain the same market cap, or even gain market cap while dropping in price. That's not a good combination, and you get that with coins like this that have like a very undiluted supply. And certain allocations, maybe it's like there's more allocations now, and it cuts down after X amount of time. Maybe it just continues to grow at this rate. I don't know, but I generally don't like stuff like this that has like a very high undiluted supply. It's okay, this thing could still do really good things. It's only at 17 million fully diluted. It's at about 49 million, so definitely room to go to the upside. It just has a bigger hurdle to do so. This price here was a lower market cap whenever it was at this price, but now if we were to go back up here, that same price would be at a higher market cap, and you're not just fighting price, you are also fighting with market cap. So don't, just because you've gone here again, or just because you've gone here in price, doesn't mean you can go there again. You might return to the same market cap, and then overall that'll be a lower high. All in all, I don't really know too much as to what to think about this thing. The daily looks bearish. The weekly looks bearish as well. If we were to throw a fib on it, just to get an idea of how low we can go, and it's such a new chart, so don't hold me to this, but, we're through the 1618. We're in the deeper extensions, getting close to these 2272s, the twos here, 2272 to 2618. I would expect that. Let's see if we found any significance. We did find a little significance on the 1272, so maybe we do find significance on the 2272. Not really too much on the 618, really. I guess we back tested it for resistance, held it 1 week, maybe. I don't know. It's it's any person's guess. I'd say somewhere between about 2 cents and 4 cents sounds about right. Maybe 3 cents and 4 cents. Sorry, sounds about right to me. But until then, bearish, and then we can talk about upside. But I don't, seeing a lot of volume come in as we're going down, that just tells me that the people participating in this ecosystem are offloading, right? They're making money, but people like us who invest in it, we're not participating in the ecosystem. Like, what's the incentive there for us? But maybe it does good. This thing, it definitely has potential with a low market cap like this. I just don't know enough about it to really judge it for how well it does in the coming cycle. I don't even know how I would go about measuring for a potential high that it could have. It could have a lower high again and have a higher market cap. It could break out to new all-time highs. I don't know. We haven't bottomed out yet, so I don't feel comfortable measuring that just yet. But all in all, regardless of what may or may not be, I think we are going down probably around that 4 cent to 3 cent area, and then from there we can talk about some upsides. So if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to see more, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.